Hi everybody, I'm Denise and welcome to my dressing room. Today I'm so excited to share with you some things I've got from the Louis Vuitton Multicolor collection. As you know, I have the Speedy 30 in the multicolor, and I just, like I said, I fell in love with this bag so long ago. So some pieces I've had probably like a couple years now, and I just like slowly get them, you know, when I can find them, and then obviously at a really good price. So there's actually two here that I haven't seen, and obviously they are pre-loved. But this one here I'm going to show you I got a while, and it is the bag charm, and it is, I guess it's the card case, and it is so cute with the pink interior, and it has the clasp to put on your bag, and it's got also the front part here for your cards, and it's a zipper. And this one is in it's got like the blue, the pink, the dark purple colorway. So yes, so this one I've had for quite a while, and it's just been sitting on my keychain ring waiting for a bag to come. So let's open up this one here. And it came in this box. I can't remember if she said this was original or not. Here it is with the little bag. And can you guess what it is? Besides sparkle, glitter, and everything pink and pretty, what do I love? Hearts! Oh my gosh. I am so excited to finally have found this, and I found it with the pink in the middle there, and not too bad condition. I mean, what can you expect? These are what, 22, 23-year-old items. So this one comes just with the beige interior, and it's got the little Louis Vuitton logo there, and the zipper actually works pretty good, and you can also just put it on your wrist like that if you wanted to carry it. I haven't used it, so I don't know. Well, actually I have one of my cards here. Let's just see if the card fits in here. I'm not too sure if it does. Said I've never had one of these, so that'd be a hard no. It does not fit. So basically this is just a coin purse, but for me it is going to be a bag charm for my Speedy here. Got the lobster clasp. Put it on there like that. Clips on really easy. And there you go. A little heart charm. My next reveal, the lady that I purchased it off, she had everything, and she wrapped it like so nice, like just like the store, right? That was so very kind of her. I was actually really surprised when I got it in the mail. So let's look at it together. Okay. And I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys have seen this, but for me it's very exciting. Oh, comes with a booklet too. Oh, I did not know that. I guess when she said it was, I guess that's what a full set means, right? So it is the small wallet. Opens up. It's beige, and on the other side is where you can put your cards. And let's see. Yeah, I guess you could put if anybody still carries cash around there. So yes, this is in very good condition. She said that she didn't use it. She didn't use it that much, and I didn't know it was actually both sides. So I guess this would be a compact wallet. I was trying to think of the name. So yeah, it would be a compact wallet, which I love these type of wallets now. I mean, it just depends. I mean, sometimes I love a full wallet. I love compact. I mean, you know what? I love them all. So, and the condition, she's right. It is. I mean, I know the vachetta is a little bit dark around there. Or the vachetta is a little bit dark, but she did, you know, send me photos and stuff like that. But the inside, I mean, seriously, it looks like it's never been used. But she said she rarely used it. And I'm so lucky I'm getting these. This was very inexpensive. Another one that was just getting rid of her collection. It seems like a lot of people are getting rid of their collections lately. Okay, so I'll just put that off to the side there. And now this big one here. This I was so looking forward to. Because like I said, I love big wallets too. So this one, let me just show you here. It's really nice. Again, comes with the dust bag. I'm so surprised. But you know, a lot of people are like me. They keep everything in really good condition. So that's so nice. So this is the Insulate wallet. So why I was so excited is because of the pink interior, but let's just show you the outside first. It's very nice. I know some of them have glazing issues, but the ones that I finally made decisions on purchasing, they didn't have any glazing issues. Like I was just saying, this is a snap, which is really nice. So this part here has the snap. And also why this one was pretty inexpensive, because it has initials on it, which it's in blue. It doesn't bother me at all. It's so, I mean, it bothers some people. With me, with a wallet this old, that's not gonna bother me. The thing I like about this is this has so many card slots. Like, you know, I could take all my cards, Costco, Shoppers Drug Mart, you know, all the cards that we have to get, you know, points and things like that. I mean, a lot of them are online right now, but I'm old school, and I still have the card, or the actual physical card. That's the inside. It's this gorgeous pink, and again, it's zips up. And it has, oh, I didn't know that. It has, to show you here, it's got two zipper pulls in the pink leather. So that's kind of, I like little details like that. And then it has another zipper pocket here. And then she also included So I'm sorry, there's a zipper pocket here, and there's actually even a pocket beside the pocket. She also included the care info and the details. That's really nice. I'm gonna read this later because, like I said, I haven't opened this one, so I love details like that. So I'm definitely gonna read that. And so yeah, leather lined, pink, my favorite color. This is actually a pretty big wallet. Let's get out my tape measure here. Let's just see. So closed, this wallet is about 4.25 inches. But fully opened, it is 9 inches. So quite a size. And again, the monogram goes the monogram goes all the way around. So then when you're looking this way, it's upside down. A lot of people don't know that. I mean, I think in the 2000s, when I actually seen this, I was just like, I think that's a fake bag. Like, we're talking like 2005, right? But yeah, now I know it's just one piece of canvas, and it's wrapped around. But oh my gosh, first impressions, this is just, it's gorgeous. I'm definitely going to get a lot of use out of this Insulate wallet. It's got the snap closures. Oh, so this also has a D-ring. Almost forgot. Okay, so she included this chunky chain. She said it didn't come with the bag, that she had purchased this after. So let's just try it on there. Oh, I see. So then it's like a bracelet. And you know me, I love a chunky chain. So I just don't know if it's like too big for this wallet, like too chunky. But let me show you again. Oops, there we go. My daughters say I always show it wrong, which I probably do, but yeah, so that's actually kind of nice. I actually like it now that I'm looking at it. Okay, so she did send the chain in a little what do you call it, plastic bag. So I kind of knew what it, obviously a clear plastic bag, so I knew what it looked like. So just looking at it, I wasn't too sure if it would be if it was too chunky. And then I have this one from I think it's just a chain from, I believe it's my Kate Spade wallet, one of my Kate Spade wallets. So let's try that on this one here. Oh, there we go. So obviously this is a lot thinner chain. But either way, it I will definitely keep a chain on this little D-ring, because yeah, I love stuff like that. So yeah, I will do a review later on, and what's in my bag type of thing, you know, when I have all my cards and stuff like in there. Because I currently have, which you guys have seen, is my Chanel big wallet, and then my Chanel card case. So what I'll be doing is transferring everything from here, and this card case. I'll probably use this wallet more. I don't know, but this little one is actually really nice. You know, grab and go. You just need like a couple cards, right? So I will be changing out my wallets to that. Okay, I think that's it today, guys. Just a little reveal. I'm like I said, I love the multicolor, and it's kind of, you know, fun trying to find these pieces from, like I said, from so long ago, and to try and find them in good condition. That's really hard. So yeah, I'm just slowly, you know, getting, if it's something that I need. I'm not gonna just, you know, purchase it because it's, you know, multicolor. It has to be something that I'm actually gonna use, and that's pretty much with everything in my dressing room. I like to use my purses and bags, and I like to wear my shoes, and, you know, wear, you know, the few designer pieces of clothing ready to wear that I have. I like to wear it all. So that's it. Just a short little reveal unboxing. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.